Okay, so PlumbBuddy's pretty cool about general mod stuff, and you can even get general mod support. But did you know that as a creator, you can register a support venue with us that is only used when a player asks for help with your mod? I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to do it by creating the one for somebody who's been manifesting the crap out of a lot of things lately.
Get on with it!
We're going to create a PR for her. And the way that we would do that is we would go to the website, and then we would go to source code, this website. And we're going to fork it. Cool. Yeah. All right. So then we're going to clone it. How hard could it be? Git clone this. OMG. Well, that wasn't tough. All right, so you would click on this a whole load of times and it flips out and unlocks DevTools, and then we're going to go to open to cache. Ah, okay. This is what we wanted. All right. This support Discord's file is being actively read by the app. So if we alter it, it will have the alterations happening, and this is a good way to test that you're getting kind of what you want. All right, so let's see. We're gonna just, Amethyst is gonna kill me if I don't put this in alphabetical order. Visual Studio will let me collapse them though. Let's see. L. Okay, how do we... Oh, Sam. Okay, where are we gonna find this? Aha! All right, copy the link. And first thing I need to do is give this a different... Wow. I like how Copilot figured that out. All right, so click here to join the, what is it called? Little Miss Sam's Cozy Corner Discord server. Oh, you know, we could even, since this is Markdown, we could even make it bold if we wanted to. Ooh. Okay, we need to find the rules for her Discord to kind of follow the paradigm here. Are there rules? Surely there's rules. All right, so YAML has pretty strict requirements about how these kinds of things work. Have to get the indentation just right or it's gonna flip out. I'm gonna change these to asterisks because PlumbBuddy will, its markdown renderer will make them actually bulleted, like I think she wants them to be. Okay, that looks like a link, so we could actually make it one. Oop. Like that. Okay. And what else is going on in here? She might want to change this later, but she can. Okay, and we want to give them very good directions here. Give the players a help. All right, so it's under Little Miss Sam's mods only, LMS mods support. Well, that looks right. Okay, well, we don't want this kind of, cheesy high school senior yearbook stuff in here. We want something more professional. Who would have given us something more professional? Probably Deadpool. Yeah, that's patch day help steps, text file submission. Yeah. This is a very professional kind of generic statement on the topic. Thank you, Deadpool. And by thank you, Deadpool, I mean thank you, Amethyst. And last but not least, this is the name of the venue. And then this is where we're instructing PlumbBuddy only for mods that have this creator listed. Okay. So that's the distinction, even though these are the same text. That's what they're doing differently. And you can have more than one. So if you're, running SAT or something, you can have every one of your old creators in there with different steps. Since we haven't defined ask for help steps, they're not going to see this server unless they literally ask for help with an LMS mod, which is what we want. And the last thing is we need media. We could just use one of these. Maybe this one. Okay, that's cool. Let's just kind of go right to that. Yeah, I bet that'll look nice. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to close DevTools in the browser and change this to that. Okay. So now, since this is the one that's actually in PlumbBuddy's cache, if I save it, and then I come over here and click ask for help, I should instantly see it, and I do. How fancy! There we go. There's her rules with all of her text formatting. Okay, if I click here, does it take me there? Yep, it does. Okay, and yeah, looks good. Okay, now if there was a problem, like I messed up indentation somewhere, because that is bound to happen for some of you. Whoop. PlumbBuddy will say, oh no. But also it will show you what is wrong if you know where to look. And that's going to be in local storage, actually. I'm running a debug version, so I've got these massive debug logs, but yours will also have a, something to indicate what the problem is, right? Line 189, column 3, da-da-da-da. Even the release versions of PlumbBuddy will log that. So yeah, and sure enough, look, that's around where it happens. So let me fix that. Okay, so we've got this working the way we want to. She only shows up if you're asking for help with one of her mods. And then you get guided support that takes you to her Discord. That's great. Now what we're going to do is copy this file as edited to where it needs to go, which means we didn't actually need to open the whole thing in Visual Studio Code. Right, this thing is driving me wild. All right, there we go. So it needs to go in not one, but two places. The first one is in www.root community admin or community data. We're going to copy that over and overwrite it. And then the next place is very similar. It's site www.root community data. Why is this way? It has to do with continuous integration and delivery, blah, 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 blah. Rest assured, it needs to be done in both places. And if it isn't, then it may potentially get overridden. So we're going to open up another terminal in here, and we're going to say git commit a m add LMS support venue. Cool. And then we're going to say git push. Yay. Now we can do a contribute open pull request. And look, it's already got my commit message in there. That's handy. All right, so then you create the pull request. You have this PR, and then I can merge it because I'm me, but I'm not gonna. Because obviously Little Miss Sam needs to be cool with this, and also, you know, Amethyst is gonna stroll by, and she might talk to you here about what you're doing, and just kind of, you know, get things in line. Or it might be Helen or somebody else. I don't know. Oh, look, you can request a reviewer. Yo, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, Amethyst, would you mind? And then eventually it gets merged, and then, you know, over the course of like a day, everybody's PlumbBuddies learn about your support venue. And that's that.